In this video, we're going to have a look at how to clone a mushroom from a really nice sample that you've grown. This one here is the King Blue Oyster Hybrid from Jurassic Coast Mushrooms. Only just fruited this one, and it turned out pretty well actually. I think I'd like to use this to make my own liquid culture, so I am going to have a go at showing you how to clone. We're going to need sterilised agar plates, scalpel tweezers, and these have been sterilised in the autoclave. And as I say, this is a nice specimen. It seems to have grown very well, and I think I'd like to have a go at cloning that. So we'll get this ready in a second, and we'll take it over to the flow hood and show you the process of cloning. So as promised in the last video, we decided that we were going to do a clone of the Jurassic Coast Mushrooms King Oyster Hybrid. Now, before we started doing this, we've sprayed down all the inside of the hood with 70% isopropanol. We've got a brand new scalpel blade, little scoop, some sterile petri dishes. I've had them for about a week now. They're ready to go. We'll do another video in the future about how to make perfect agar plates without condensation. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is just to take the parafilm off my sterile agar plates. One, two, I think we'll just do two today, so we keep them there. Now, the sample I've taken from the Jurassic Coast Mushrooms King Oyster Hybrid, obviously we're looking to take a sterile sample, so rather than cut with a scalpel, we peel the mushroom apart, so we're now exposing sterile internal cells of the mushroom, and we need to take a very, very small square sample of tissue from the inside. So we cut down through the tissue, across, and then back in again. We should be aiming to get a nice little sterile piece like that. Now we should drop that onto our agar. Back on. And we're still sterile. So if we're doing one individual sample, we shouldn't need to sterilize the scalpel blade in between. They're all going in the same petri dish. That's sample number 2. I like to do 3 petri dish. Any more tends to get a bit crowded. And there we go, there is sample number 3. Whoa, and we've dropped that one, so we are going to do another one. Not worth the risk of taking the whole trying to use it. Right, now we've got some parafilm pre-prepared here. Very easy to get a piece of parafilm off. With a tug in the corner. Sterile surface is the inside. And then if we pull that round, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so we've got our first clone sample we've done there. I'll leave that one to do that one a little bit later on. So what we're going to do with this, we're going to label it up, and then we're going to store it upside down in the incubation cupboard and keep a regular eye on it, see how it goes. Hopefully no contamination. Once we've got this fully colonised and it's moved across the agar plate, we'll then do a little video about transferring the agar sample of mycelium into a liquid culture, which we can then use to make some liquid culture syringes to hopefully then inoculate grain spawn and make some more of this fantastic variety from Jurassic Coast mushrooms.